Windows 11 Pro download ISO 64-bit from Microsoft to get the Windows 11 Pro ISO image download. You can go to Microsoft's official website. See how to free download Windows 11 Pro ISO 64-bit. Step 1. Visit the page of Windows 11. Download. https://www.microsoft.com/n-us/software-download/Windows 11. Step 2. Go to the Download Windows 11 Disk Image, ISO section, choose Windows 11, Multi-Edition ISO, and click Download. Step 3. After selecting a language, click Confirm. Step 4. Click the 64-bit download button to get the ISO of Windows 11. There are 2 points you should pay attention to here. 1. Microsoft has cancelled the 32-bit version in Windows 11, so you can only get the 64-bit download ISO image file. 2. The ISO image you get can be used to install Windows 11 Home, Home N, Home Single Language, Education, Education N, Pro, Pro N, Pro Education, Pro Education N, Pro for Workstations, and Pro N for Workstations. To get the Windows 11 Pro download ISO file, follow the above steps.